Let's play a guessing game. Which do you think has more power output? This $50 Boss R1004 4-channel amplifier or the Pioneer DMH2660 Next head unit? Stay tuned in a minute to find out during our testing. The Boss R1004 is advertised as a 400 watt 4-channel amplifier, but has a power rating of 75 watts by 4 channels at 2 ohms and 38 watts by 4 channels at 4 ohms. Inside the box is a warranty card, user's manual, hardware, high-level speaker harness, and 4-channel amplifier. The amplifier looks pretty decent. It's really compact with dimensions of 9 inches in length, 7 3/4 inches in width, and 2 inches in height. The amplifier itself features 4 sets of speaker terminals as well as ground remotes and power terminals. We recommend 8-gauge power and ground leads. Check out our amplifier installation kits online at qualitymobilevideo.com. Links in the bio. All you get for adjustments is gain control. No low-pass filter, no high-pass filter, no bass boost, nothing. The R1004 is a flexible amplifier in terms of connecting to your source. There are 2 sets of low-level RCA inputs to connect to the preamp outputs of your head unit or a line output converter, or use the included high-level speaker harness to connect to the speaker-level outputs on your stereo's wiring harness. Alright, it's time to test this thing out. The first test we ran was 2 channels driven at 2 ohms, 14.4 volts, 40 hertz. Boss rates it 75 watts per channel here. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. Our HP8903V audio analyzer picked up 21.52 watts RMS. The audio precision read 1.07% distortion and 6.5 volts of output. Let's switch between left and right. Our AMM1 read 19 watts RMS. Should we keep testing this? Yeah. And we got 6.53 volts on the Lumi. And we drew 6.2 amps of current. On the DMH2660 Next, 2 channels driven, 14.4 volts, 2 ohms, 40 hertz, our HP picked up 33.5 watts RMS, 1.2% distortion, and 8.11 volts of output. What's going on here? Going up to 1 kilohertz with the amplifier. Our HP picked up 21.91 watts RMS, 1.02% distortion, and 6.56 volts of output. Channel swap. Our AMM1 read 16 watts RMS. We got 6.56 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 6.06 amps of current. Up to 4 ohms, 2 channels, 14.4 volts, 40 hertz. Our HP picked up 18.19 watts RMS, 1.05% distortion, and 8.46 volts of output. Channel swap. Our AMM1 read 15 watts. We got 8.49 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 4.13 amps of current. Back to the stereo. 2 channels driven at 4 ohms, 14.4 volts, 40 hertz, 21.90 watts RMS, 1.52% distortion, and 9.27 volts of output. Going up to 1 kilohertz on the amplifier, 14.4 volts. Boss rates it 38 watts per channel here, 4 ohms. Our HP picked up 18.62 watts RMS, 1% distortion, 8.55 volts of output. Channel swap. Our AMM1 read 13 watts RMS. We got 8.57 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 4.02 amps of current. This amplifier is unbridgeable. Our final test was on frequency response, and we used our audio precision to sweep each frequency. Basically, there's literally no difference between this amplifier and a typical aftermarket head unit. The Pioneer performed with more power in every test than this amplifier. This is a telling sign that you can't take a manufacturer's word to heart. Even at $50, this amplifier isn't worth buying. We'd recommend that you save up another $10 in your piggy bank and go with the Blaupunkt Amp 1504. Be sure to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com. Don't forget to click that like button, join the conversation below, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.